Alright, as you can see, we're tired from running up these stairs. It's like a million lights. Yo, I bet that's camera action. Alright, we are at the top. Yo, give me a light. What'd you do? Alright, this is the top. Come on. Cover the window. Whew, this is the top. This is Staten Island. Hold it. Alright. This is the top of the world.
Not really.
Y'all zoom in and look.
That's Bayonne Bridge.
Bayonne Bridge.
Staten Island, like mad areas.
Alright, we gotta go up.
Mad high up.
Man, high. Look at that UFO right there. Look at that. UFOs and everything.
Chill the lights. Chill the light.
It's alright. Just chill for a second. Yo, this Manhattan right here. Just for the sake of a movie, man. It's all good. Now I can't see Alan. I can't see anybody.
Dude, just don't chill. Yo, on night vision.
It is on night vision. You still can't see shit.
Does it go like green or something though?
Yeah, but it's like black and white, it looks like. Cause it's mad dark and it's mad like you can see the light, but you can't see anything without light. You need something to reflect off. You hear, yo, move, man! Standing right in front of the bridge. Verrazano right here.
Verrazano Bridge.
Yo, I'm getting mad close to the Verrazano. I can see niggas' heads in the car.
Really?
Word.
Let me see that shit. Yeah. Oh man, yo, he is close though.
Yo, where's that coming from? Oh, you see the cops chasing us and everything? Doing this for the sake of the movie. Alright, let's go up. Oh damn. Bad boys, what you want? What you gonna do? Come for you. Yo, there are cops, look. Wait, where they at?
They're going down the street right here. Coming down right in front of us.
I'm about to get...
Turn.
They went up some corner or something. They don't care about us.
I know, right?
Alright, let's go.
It's like, yo, some kids in the building, so you want that too when you were kids. Oh, yeah. Yo, show them the light right now. Show them the light.
I'm filming, man. Oh, I'm about to fall off of this ledge. Sorry that you can't see, but... Okay.
Yeah, we need some good art. Yo, point up to the stars, bro. It's a high star.
You cannot see any stars. Damn. All you see is blackness.
So, Alan, the glove policy.
Yeah. Oh my God, my hand.
Oh no, I'm sorry. You don't have a glove. I'm sorry, Alan. I'm about to say, what the hell?
Yo, hold on.
I need my glove. I need my glove.
Why?
Climb up.
You need a glove?
Yeah.
Yeah, chill, man. That's a messy ass.
I've been using my hands.
Alright, I'll use my sleeve.
Use your sleeve.
Oh, chill.
Yo, I'm climbing up with one hand, yo. Yo, I'm shutting it off.
Yeah, shut it off.
Yo, I need light. Light.
Wait, I can do it.
Alright, we're truly at the top of the world right now.
It's the highest point in the entire world. Don't worry about those.
The highest point in Staten Island.
Don't worry about those.
Besides the dump. Besides the dirty ass dump, this is the highest point right here. This is the cleanest highest point. Alright, see how high we are? Just to get a little perspective on how high we are. Alright. See cars, this is an old folks home right here. Alright, we have to go up the roof right here.
Spider-Man. Yo, chop. Why is your box light? The battery
Alright, we're at the tipping point of the building. This is the roof, the top of the roof right now.
Yeah, look at this place. Look at
Yo, we're like 2 seconds to death. But it's all good because we're doing this for the sake of the film. Sake of production. Alright? This is Staten Island. Oh yeah, Manhattan. This is Manhattan, New York City. Universal right here.
Did you see everything on the camera?
Yeah. It's all lights and like...
Chill.
Yo, let me get a light.
No, not up here. Yeah,
just a little bit. I just want to get your faces a little bit. Just a little bit.
No, we could totally be seen up here.
Alright, fine. No faces.
Yo, alright, look.
We'll do it right here. Yo, just to prove that we're up here.
Oh shit.
Get that light real quick. Yo, Yeah, this is really good, man.
That's right.
We're on top of the world right now, as you can see.
Yo,
It's
beautiful. Get the light on the dark.
The light on the dark. Yo, where's Alan? Yo, shine the light real quick down there, so we can see him. Where's Alan? Alright, I can see you, Alan. Shine the light on yourself. Yeah, that's Alan.
It's cold up in this joint.
Yeah, that's Alan.
Yo.
Well, we're about to be out because my hands is cold.
Yo. And they're like, where the high.
Yo, can you see the stars? Wait, hold up.
Oh shit. Yo, chill.
Nah, he's good, he's good.
I know you only got one handle.
Too bright? Nah, it's too... Yo, you can see a star, a single star in the sky. See if I can catch some more. Alright, we're gonna get the UFO action. Here's the UFO.
What the fuck?
A dying dog.
Dude, what is that?
Crazy dogs.
I just want to help.
Oh! Whew.
Yo, there's some kind of freaky sound. Are you ready to go? Get off the thing?
Yeah, well, hold on, let me get a quick 360 view. Oh.
Oh shit, I cut myself on my knee. Did I cut myself?
Here's the ground. Manhattan, New York City. New York City, so far away, but I cannot wait one more day.
If I don't try, I'll never.
Oh, city bus. Let me get some heads inside. Oh, I can see heads inside. Yo.
Word.
Alright, let's go. Alright, we're going there. Yo, we gotta go to the
Other half.
yeah. Hold up, light, so I can turn it off.
Just come down real quick, don't worry about it.
I'm just asking for it.
Oh shit. Get in, yo.